In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble your new Agri-Fab 45-gallon tow sprayer. To begin, place the sprayer assembly, Part 2, upside down on a protective surface. Then align the hitch triangle, Part 6, and fully secure it with 4 5/16 by 5/8 inch flange bolts, Part A, and 5/16 inch flange nuts, Part C. Next, align the axle, Part 4, and slide 2 locking collars, Part I, into the middle. Then insert the axle U-bolt, Part G, and loosely secure it with 2 5/16 inch flange nuts, Part C. Now repeat for the other side. Then slide a locking collar, Part I, onto one side of the axle. Now slide a tire, Part 3, onto the axle with the valve stem facing out. Next, slide on a locking collar, Part I. Now repeat for the other side. Then align the axle assembly and fully secure the inner locking collars. Now fully secure the outer wheel collars. Next, fully secure the inner wheel collars. Now fully secure the U-bolts on both sides. Then turn the sprayer onto its wheels. The drawbar and hitch can be aligned in 4 different combinations as seen. Determine which configuration fits your vehicle's tongue height best. For best performance, the sprayer should sit completely level when connected to the tow vehicle. Then align the drawbar, Part 7, in your desired configuration and fully secure it with 3 5/16 by 1 inch flange bolts, Part B, and 3 5/16 inch flange nuts, Part C. Then align the hitch clevis, Part F, in your desired configuration and secure it with 2 5/16 by 1 inch flange bolts, Part B, and 2 5/16 inch flange nuts, Part C. Now insert the hitch pin, Part D, and secure it with the large bow tie clip, Part E. Next, align the hose wrap bracket, Part 5, and fully secure it with 2 5/16 by 5/8 inch flange bolts, Part A. Ensure you don't over-tighten it. Over-tightening the fasteners may lead to tank cracking. Now align the small spray wand holder, Part K, and secure it with a 3/8 inch truss head screw, Part M. Then align the spray wand holder, Part L, and secure it with a 3/8 inch truss head screw, Part M. Then thread 2 3/8 inch flange nuts, Part J, onto the spray boom assembly, Part 1. Now slide on 2 boom spacers, Part H. Now insert it into the frame. Next, align a tank support, Part N. Loosely secure it with a 3/8 inch flange nut, Part J. Repeat for the other side. Adjust the boom so the height of the spray tips is approximately 21 inches from the ground, and fully secure the fasteners. Then fully secure the top of the spray boom assembly. Now wrap the hose around the hose hanger and clip the wand in place. Then connect the boom hose to the spray boom. Now hitch the sprayer to the tractor. Caution, do not connect the sprayer to anything other than a 12-volt battery. Now connect the black terminal ring from the battery wire harness, Part O, to your power source's negative terminal. Then connect the red terminal to your power source's positive terminal. Now connect the switch wire harness, part O, to the battery harness and route it to the sprayer. Then connect the switch harness to the pump.